There's certain criteria for your ranking in Golf Forest. So you need to play some inland tournaments as well as coastal tournaments. I think it's 2 coastal or 2 inland. You need to have that. So the inland kids can't only play in Gauteng. They need to come down to the coast as well. So we plan a lot, around school, around trips. We'll also have a look and see if there's tournaments that are close together. Like last year was quite nice because they had the SA Boys under 19 and what was the other tournament in Mossel Bay?
SA Stroke Play.
SA Stroke Play in Mossel Bay, like 2 weeks apart. So that's nice because you can play the one and then do the next.
Okay.
Yeah, so location is, so travel and planning is a challenge that we have a shared calendar, so we all see it. I mean, Wayne, my husband, he asks me anything, I'm like, did you check the calendar? If it's in the calendar, it's happening. And then I also plan ahead, like bookings, accommodation bookings, because it's obviously cheaper if you book in advance, flights, all of those things.